Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you all are fine and doing your work wholeheartedly. Students, previously we did tenses and Alhamdulillah we have completed our present tense. And I am hopeful that you have done the learning and written practice of present tense in a very good way. Now it's time to move ahead with a new topic, that is paragraph writing. Dear students, since our childhood, we have been writing paragraphs on different topics like my mother, my school, a windy day, and so on. Today we will do it again and learn how to write an effective paragraph. But before this, we have to know what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and coherent, and all are related to a single topic. In simple words, we can say that paragraph is a single unit that introduces and develops a particular idea pertaining to a topic. Let's see the features of a paragraph. Basically, we divide a paragraph in three parts: introduction, body, conclusion. The first feature of the paragraph is a topic sentence. The topic sentence is based on introduction. The opening sentence or sentences that form the introduction of the paragraph is called as topical sentence. The topical sentence introduces the topic, theme, or main idea of topic. The next one is the supporting ideas. The body is based on supporting ideas. The main body of paragraph consists of supporting ideas. These supporting ideas provide more information about the main topic presented in the opening sentence. However, these ideas must not stray from the topic mentioned in the opening of the paragraph. It must be related to the topic sentence. The last one is a concluding sentence. Conclusion is based on concluding sentences. The concluding or closing sentence must sum up the entire paragraph. Basically, it is a reflection of the idea presented in the topical sentence. Students, as I told you that paragraph is a one unit. So we have to write all detail based on introduction, supporting ideas, and concluding sentence in one para. How can we write a good paragraph? For writing a good paragraph, we have to follow some important points. The first one is a pattern. Students, pattern is very important in writing paragraph. As we know that paragraph is one unit, so we have to comprise our details only in one para. It must be brief and we must avoid excessive and unnecessary details and should not repeat the ideas. Unity. An effective paragraph has unity when its body part closely relates to its topic sentence. In other words, all the supporting sentences in the body part should remain focused and relevant to the main idea. Order. Order refers to the way how you organize your supporting sentences. There must be an order in sentences. Coherence. Coherence in a paragraph means that the idea must have a logical flow. There must be a relationship between the sentences must be clear, and they must be connected to the next one. Completeness. Completeness is another important characteristic of a good paragraph. A paragraph must be completed by all means. It must have all important detail according to the topic. Students, I told you what is a paragraph, features of a paragraph, and what are the main points that will help you to write a good paragraph. There is another thing that is very important and that will help you a lot in writing a good paragraph. That is graphic organizer. Graphic organizer helps you to organize your thoughts. Here you can see that I am having a topic spring season. And for this, I have divided my thoughts in three parts: topic sentence, body, and concluding sentence. For the topic sentence, the words that came in my mind are spring, short, beautiful. By using these words, I can construct my topic sentence. The next part is body. For body, I am having two ideas: beauty of nature, picnic, and trips. For the beauty of nature, I use the word greenery, flowers bloom, birds sing. And for the supporting idea number 2, I have words parks, mountains, hills, food, and activities. By using this word bank, I can complete my body easily. The last part is a conclusion or concluding sentence. For the concluding sentence, I wrote beauty at its peak. So by using this graphic organizer, I will complete my paragraph. Students, you can see that I have completed my paragraph by using that graphic organizer. See the first sentence, that is a topic sentence. Spring is a short and a beautiful season. For body, I have written, the arrival of spring season brings greenery in the form of fresh green grass and new birds on the trees. Beautiful flowers spread their sweet fragrance everywhere. The brightly colored flowers make a lovely sight. The chirping of birds gives a sensation of music to the air. In spring season, people go on picnics and arrange trips. They go to the mountains and hills, enjoy nature and food. There are also many festivals arranged in spring season like flower show, kite flying, and exhibition. You can see that all the supporting detail that I have written in my body is related to our topic sentence. The last part is a conclusion. There is a lot of enjoyment and beauty of nature is at its best in the spring season. Our paragraph is completed. I hope that you have understood all the important points of writing paragraph. Dear students, as you know that you are going to appear in Federal Board. So creative writing is very important. I have explained all the important points to write an effective paragraph. And I am more than hopeful that you can write a good paragraph on the topic by using the outline that is provided in the PDF. So what is the task for today? That you have to write a paragraph on the topic fortune teller with the help of the given outline for the better understanding. Wish you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.